Hi.
Hi. I'm the Jeep with the doors.
See? Okay.
It was my father's. He passed away in 2019.
Uh-huh.
But I think he might have acquired it from maybe his father or something. And I don't know if it ever was used. It wasn't used much.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like they just push it in there.
For the move the carriage here, and then push this margin step, release, or the magic margin button. It's the same function. Push, that means go to the closer to this point. How? There is a two spring inside. There's you can look at the two spring inside, right? That spring, this gear hold this margin stop both side. Push here or the margin magic margin button means release from this gear. So spring works. That means move to the this point. This one move to this point. This one move to this point. So in order to move this one to hit this side, there are two ways. Move and then like this way, or move the push the margin magic margin button and then like this, okay? Hold the push and then like this. Okay, same thing this side. I wanna move this one to here, and then I wanna move. If I want to move this one to here, then push the margin button, and then just release this one like this, then go back like this. Yeah, it's a very simple function with the one gear and then two different spring, and then margin stop. Margin stop. It's so this one like this. If push this one, the spring hold the margin stop to this point. Okay. Yeah. We cannot move over this point. All right. So more want to move to this one. First, we need to move the whole carriage. Okay. Like this. And then again, we can either way push this one or the margin button. That means yeah, good. Because there is another, looks like a center, so we cannot over this one, right? Yeah. For left margin, same thing. Even though the carriage move over there, it cannot over this point. This is the for most left, for most right, in the center. Okay, that's the margin stuff. I think this one is unique for the Noyal typewriter. And then let's see the serial number. SA7463138. This one is Noyal Safari. Noyal Safari. Safari. Okay, I wanna put back everything and then type the sample. Okay. For the cover, this one should be put this and then this. Okay. Like this. Then other side, a little bit harder to put back. This one put here because we need to push this one, also push this one, also this hook go into this side and then go into this side. So I need to use the two hands. Okay.